Hello students, in this lecture we are going to discuss concurrent execution. What is concurrent execution? Multiple transactions are allowed to run concurrently in the system. So what are the advantages of this concurrent execution? First advantage of this concurrent execution is increased processor and disk utilization. That is, this increases the processor and disk utilization, and the increased utilization of these will lead to better transaction throughput. Suppose, for example, if one transaction is there which is using the CPU, another may read or write from the disk. Second advantages of concurrent execution is the response time, average response time of transactions will be reduced, because short transaction need not to wait for long times. Next is concurrency control schemes. These are the schemes or mechanism to achieve isolation. If we control the interaction among the concurrent transactions, then it will prevent them from destroying the consistency of the database. Next, we will move to schedules. What are schedules? Schedule is a chronological order of execution, or it is a chronological execution sequence for transactions. A schedule may have multiple transactions in it. It consists of multiple transactions. Each and every transaction have its own instructions. Next is serial schedule. What is a serial schedule? So, it is a schedule in which transactions are aligned in such a way that one transaction is executed first. When first transaction completes, then the another transaction is executed in a serial manner. Okay. So, in serial schedule, all the transactions will be executed serially, one after another. A transaction that is successfully completed, it will complete, or as its last execution statement, it will have a commit instruction. And by default, we assume, or a transaction is assumed to execute commit instruction as its last statement. If a transaction fails, if a transaction successfully completes its execution, then commit will be the last instruction. But if a transaction fails to successfully complete, then its execution will have an abort instruction at the last of the execution sequence statements. This was concurrent execution and schedules. Thank you.